I hope all of you have watched my video part 1 on the basics of Chat GPT. If you haven't, do click on the link provided and do not miss to know its basics. Now, moving forward to part 2, the final question that everyone has in their minds. Finally, will it replace your job? Will it lead to unemployment crisis? For instance, now instead of having a customer service executive, I can ask Chat GPT to provide me a sample mail to thank my customer. For programming on stock retention, I can ask it to write a simple machine learning program, similarly for marketing, content creation, etc. So would these jobs go obsolete? To analyze this job replacement and unemployment issues, I did a vast research consulting many experts in field and CEOs of many technological companies and arrived at the right response almost after a week. And while preparing this video, just as a prank to know if ChatGPT has understood its scope, I asked ChatGPT the following questions, the same research questions of mine, and the bot generated this answer. Will you replace many jobs? Should customer service executives, content creators, software engineers be worried? It answered, as an AI language model, I am not designed to replace jobs but rather to assist humans in their work and improve their productivity. For example, customer service executive can use AI to improve their efficiency, but they will still be needed to provide personalized service, address complex issues, build relationship with customers. Similarly, content creators can use AI to generate ideas, but will still be needed to provide creativity, expertise, and a human touch to their work. Similarly, the software engineer too. However, it is possible that some jobs may become automated in the future. Then I asked the question, will unemployment increase through AI? Gave the same response as in job displacement and added that unemployment issue will depend on many factors, say pace of technological development, level of investment in AI, and societal attitudes towards automation. However, AI will create new job opportunities in AI development, data science, machine learning, etc. Then next comes the third question, should humans be just monitoring robots in future instead of them working? It said yes and added that it's important to consider the social and ethical implications of automation and to strike a balance between the benefits of automation and the need to ensure that humans are still able to participate meaningfully in the workforce and society. Then the final question, is AI the only future? A definite no. And other fields that shape the future include biotechnology, nanotechnology, renewable energy, space exploration, and among others. Now, with all these responses comes the interesting point. To my surprise, this bot gave me exactly the same response in seconds that many technological CEOs gave me after a week-long vast research. Yes, it is really an intelligent machine. Go for it, going by the words of Paul Hennessy. Meanwhile, do not forget to comment and subscribe and do like our videos. Thank you.